Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to turn off voicemail on your iPhone 11. So currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and we are currently on the latest iOS version, the iOS 18.3.1. Now for the first method, just open the dialer app. Now from here, just dial this code hash 002 hash. This code will stop forwarding your calls to voicemail. Now for the second method, just open the settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, scroll down and tap on phone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on call forwarding. Now from here, make sure you disable this option. Now if your voicemail is still active, you need to get in touch with your service provider and they will disable it from their end. And this is how you can turn off voicemail on your iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.